Start at the dashboard and navigate to the Purchase module. From there, select Purchase Enquiry to access the page. To create a new inquiry, click on Add New. You'll need to enter the date and reference number. Then select a vendor. If you'd like, you can choose multiple vendors for the inquiry. After that, specify the delivery address for the products. Next, move to the product table. Here, select the product you wish to inquire about, enter the quantity, and add any relevant remarks or notes. Once you're done, click Submit. If you'd like to view the details of an existing inquiry, simply click on it, and all the previously entered information will appear on the screen. When you receive a response from a vendor, head to the Vendor Response tab. Choose the vendor, then click Add Response. In this section, select the currency and date, enter the unit price, and add any necessary remarks. Be sure to save the details by clicking Save. To compare vendor responses, go to the Summary tab and click Refresh. You'll be able to view all the responses at a glance and compare prices. Select the preferred vendor to proceed with creating a purchase order. To create a purchase order, return to the Vendor Response tab, select the vendor and item, then click Create PO. This will take you to the purchase order page, where the vendor and item details will automatically populate. You can then enter the reference number, select the vendor contact, and choose both the shipping and billing addresses. The due date will automatically populate, along with the payment terms, but you can customize these if needed. If you'd like to add any additional notes, you can do so in the Note field. Once everything is complete, click Save, and you're done.